and welcome. I'm George Pierce. This video is about Backlink. This is part of my training series, how to make $150 a day as an affiliate marketer. What is a backlink? Why it is important? I'm also going to share with you how to get backlinks immediately. If you've been following this training, we've got virtually a brand new website. So I'm going to share with you how to get lots of backlinks virtually immediately and super easy, essentially with just a click. I'm going to share with you how to do that. I'm also going to share with you some of the more conventional standard ways to get backlinks. And I want you to stay with me for a little different twist on how to get the very best backlinks. This is a little secret, and it's going to really help you to get the best possible backlinks that you can get. What are backlinks? These are links from other sites that link to your website. So they're called backlinks, or they link back to your website. And these are one of the things that Google and the other search engines look at when they rank your site. They're going to look at the number of backlinks. They're also going to look at the page rank of the sites that are linking back to you. In other words, if these are powerful, high-ranking sites, they have a high page rank. The higher the page rank, the more importance is put on that backlink as far as the search engines goes. If the search engine is deciding which website they should send someone to, they're more likely to send that visitor to a website that has a lot of backlinks, especially if they have a lot of high-ranking backlinks. And this is the value of that and the importance of that. One of the ways that you can get backlinks really quickly is with what's called a backlink generator. This is free software that will generate backlinks, hundreds, even thousands of backlinks almost instantly. So since we've got a brand new site, this is certainly not my recommended way of creating backlinks. I'm going to get into my recommended ways in just a moment, but this is a way that we can give our website a quick shot in the arm, so to speak, with some important backlinks. So we can go from 0 to 60, you might say, and then we want to bring that on up to 100. First tool I want to share with you is called Backlink Checker. I'll leave a link below to that website, and that's simply a website that you can use on occasion to check your backlink. You'll also find a link below to Backlink Generator, Backlink Maker, Backlink Builder. These are all free.
If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thanks you. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, so you will know whenever a new video is uploaded.
These backlink creators, simply type in the URL of your website, let the site know you're not a robot, and hit submit, and you're going to have hundreds and thousands of backlinks to your site almost instantly. And of course you can use your search box to find even more free backlink generating software. This is one of my websites, and as you can see, 59,000 backlinks, 1,517 different domains. The recommended way, and the way that I primarily create backlinks, is by sharing content with other sites. In other words, every time that you create a web page, you want to share that with other sites. That can be with social sites. You can rewrite that whole web page or rewrite that article, or just give a quick synopsis of it. The idea is that you want to use that as a way to send traffic to your website, and in addition, you're creating a link back to your website. You can use social media. That is one of the most preferred ways and one of the most popular ways. You can also use forums. You can use directories. You can use article directories. You can get a backlink from high-ranking websites by rewriting that article, or rewriting that post, rewriting that page with an article spinner or by hand, and reposting it on these sites. Every time that you create a video, you want that video, of course, to link to that site. That is a super powerful backlink from YouTube. And that's one of the reasons why it's beneficial to create a video along with your web page. The video is going to drive traffic, and again, it's going to create a very, very powerful backlink to your website. So let's say Google is looking at your site and my site. Your site and my site are, let's say, on a par as far as size, content, keywords, and so on. But you've got 159,000 backlinks, or 950,000 backlinks, and I've got 50,000 or 59,000. They're much more likely to send people to your website because your website is considered to be more important. Now, I want to share with you another little twist on a little lesser known way of getting the best backlinks possible, and that is simply to find the best websites that are in your niche, and that's pretty easy to do, just a regular search. The easiest way to get their address, if it's not readily available, is go to Facebook and check About, and typically you'll find their address there. You can also go to YouTube if they're on YouTube and check About. So you send them an email and you let them know that you will really like their site, you'll love their content and so on, and you appreciate it. And in other words, give them a compliment. Compliment them on their website, on the quality of the content, on the value of the content, and so forth. Let them know that you have several links, and do include several links to their website because their content is so good. Would they mind checking out your website? If they like it, perhaps they could share your website on their website. So you're asking them to share rather than create a link, and it's just a little bit nicer way of asking for that link. This is not as a brand new website. This is after you create content, after things start rolling. Next thing I want to share with you is a surprise bonus! Building bigger and better backlinks. There is no email required. They're simply going to help you to know, they're going to help you with backlinks. To create bigger and better backlinks. One of the other benefits of backlinks, and it's really, in my opinion, it's probably the primary motivation for the backlink, is that traffic that you're going to automatically get from the backlink. And then you get an added benefit because as you build these backlinks, the search engines see that and they send you even more traffic. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.